Will pass the order. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35. Kindly matter may be added for the day.
After 2 weeks, repair of the council for the petition.
Yes. Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for withdrawal of a case by tomorrow. Right, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a bail application for tomorrow, Lordship.
When did you file?
Yesterday, Lordship.
It's not tomorrow, day after.
Obliged, Lordship.
Wait, please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 42. CD not available in this case, Lordship.
Wait for a few minutes.
Sure.
Item 42.
42, Lordship.
Just few minutes.
Lordship. My lord, item number 46. I'm praying for an accommodation only for today, my lord. Any day next week, my lord. Any day next week, my lord. I'm deeply apologetic.
But please, Lord. I'm praying for listing of
The council for the petitioner. Yes.
listing of an AB, my lord. It's pending AB. This was fixed on 3rd of this month. It was left over, my lord. It has not come. CD was also available, my lord, on that day.
Monday.
Monday. Indeed, Lord.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 38, Your Lordship. Lordship, today we are having some personal difficulties, Your Lordship. So matter will be adjourned for 2 weeks.
38. 37 and 38. 37. I'm 37.
Monday.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Mr. Ahmed is having some medical emergency, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. And it to be fixed by the registry on the council for the petitions. Together, okay.
Highly obliged.
Issue reminder to the Court of London. Special Judge would indicate NDPS come additional session judge number 3 Kamrup Metro Guwahati Fort Ridge. List on. Twenty-sixth. Orders as on 28/2003. On the same date.
Highly obliged.
Lordship. CD not available.
No, 42 Srinagar. From Tongla. Oh, UAP, no?
UAP. Tongla, please, case.
24th. Failing which you know.
Lordship. Thanks, Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, application under section 483 of the BNS is my lord. He was arrested on my lord 14/2/2025, my lord, and about 26 days in custody. Lordship has granted bail to my lord 2 of the another accused persons, my lord, which I have annexed at page 27, my lord, page 30.
Do you have the case diary? I will
No,
put the case diary.
30.
Because last order was of December.
No, my lord.
Can you tell us such in second half?
We have to call. My lord, we'll confirm, my lord. Perhaps it is not there, my lord. December.
And
In
in
that
the end,
case,
my lord,
okay, consider. Next week, any date, this is from Sonapur.
My lord,
Give us a date
19 pari,
19, my lord, okay.
obliged,
on
Lordship.
19th, up to 11th. Is there.
May I please, Your Lordship? The second time application, Lordship. There is another same in the same FIR, Lordship. Another project bail fixed on 13 March, Lordship. Maybe fix with this
What
BA
is-
number.
What is the number?
BA number 617/2025,
617
Lordship.
on the prayer of council, the petitioner list. Along with
BA
BA
617.
617/2025 on 13th.
Much obliged.
That is fixed on 13th.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Lordship, 483 bail application, my lord. This is from Communal's PS. NDPS, my lord, commercial quantity, my lord. Page 11 is the FIR, my lord. At this stage, CD may be called for investigation stage, my lord.
From Karimganj, Mr.
My lord,
Parashar, tell us a date.
11, my lord. Oh, 3rd of April.
Obliged.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, in this matter, POXO 4 is there, your lordship. So at this stage, notice may be issued and case study may be called for your lordship.
From Goripur,
My lord. 26.
petitioner shall take steps. Sufficient notice of the informed. Was it 40 number? The serving in cooperation. Public prosecutor Assam. To the register of this court on or before collegiate to the.
I will write, your lordship.
May please, your lordship. A regular bail application, my lord. FIR at page number 11, my lord.
Get the case there. Bhawanipur, when? Get it early.
My lord,
There is
21.
no point of keeping him in
20.
custody.
20.
20. The point keeping him in custody.
My lord, yes.
At the earliest,
Uh,
27 February already.
My lord, 18, my lord, okay.
Have it.
18 March. Obliged.
May please, your lordship. Madam, this is a regular bail application, madam. They are in detention for 50 number of days as on today.
This is also Lakshmipur. Have it around 2021st.
Right.
No point keeping him.
20, my lord.
My lord, 21st, another matter is fixed already.
21st,
My lord.
case number.
My lord, I can give my lord. AB number 502 25, my lord. On 21st, my lord.
502.
502.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please proceed? Lordship, kindly call for LCR, lord.
That also. NDPS case number 013202. Along with a copy of the also. Not one. Case number 109220. As on 28th of March. List on 4th April.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship, the pre-arrest bail application, my lord. Your lordship will find the FIR page 12, my lord. Lordship got it, my lord. Page 12, my lord. May I read, lordship?
Just a minute.
Lordship.
Last one tomorrow.
The last part of page 12 is against me, my lord.
Nunmati 18th.
Lordship, all the
We would have
offences,
considered, but there is the only thing against the sister. That is the reason. We'll consider on 18th.
Lordship, otherwise all the offences are bailable in nature.
We have seen
Against me, there is nothing, Lordship.
We see, we'll have it on 18th. We have seen that. We'll consider on 18th. No representation. But we can date.
Then মাতিছিল তো
Lordship, after some 10.
Mr. Parashar, that Nunmati case along with the medical report.
my lord. CD requirement.
Yes, yes. I from Hyderabad. When
25th my lord.
Twenty-fourth,
Ma'am.
nothing.
Apply.
Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord, anticipated bail application, my lord. Case diary may be called for, my lord, in this case. Bodorpur PS case, my lord. Bodorpur. Only because of phone call, my lord, I was implicated in this case.
26th,
My lord.
Obliged.
LDA.
Very excellent. হেৰি হে চাচি নহয় জানো চাচিতে কেছ আহিছে আকৌ আহিছে হেৰি আহিছে ফ'ৰ টু বি হ'ব দিয়ক
Here, my lord, 29,325, my lord, is for place for production, my lord. One of the accused is absconding, my lord. He has not appeared here.
12, yes. I am for the 12, my lord. 13. Oh. Yeah, it's okay. But one absconder already by the surrendered. He was arrested, man.
When?
Yes,
When?
last week we came to know this morning by telephone. He was already arrested, man.
It is not there.
In that case, we'll have it on Wednesday,
Next Wednesday.
coming Wednesday, because this information.
We'll
is
get
not
also
before-
information and my lord.
Okay. Or Wednesday or Friday we'll have it,
As your loss.
Friday,
Next.
This Friday is holiday.
not this Friday, coming Friday.
Next coming.
That will get you, it will help us.
Lord,
Friday, 21.
21.
It is submitted before the court by Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, unless that one of the absconder accused of the case
Asar.
have been arrested. Placed on 21st.
In the meantime, up to date.
Lordship, if not inconvenient, my lord, instead of Friday, my lord, can it be on Monday, my lord?
He will not be here.
It will be late. Can it be earlier, my lord? Because
24th.
can it be earlier than 21st, man?
How, this Tariq?
20,
20, my lord?
20.
20.
20. Enabling the session judge, sorry, enabling the special judge NDPS from session judge Sri Karimganj to apprise the same. Apprise along with the up-to-date orders. The register judicial portal. Communication
Start the case also.
on 20th, 20.
Publish.
Obliged. Please, Lordship. Lordship, my lord, it is for service report, my lord. We have received a service report, my lord. My lord, service is complete, my lord.
When it was served,
Well,
Mr.
served
Goswami.
on, my lord. 11. No. 21 to, my lord.
21st of February.
Lordship. Okay, no. We just have a service report to complete. No need a hearing. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, as per allegation, Lordship, the incident was occurred in the month of January 2020.
Dr. Pooja Agrawal. It is, Mr. Goswami, committee notice has been duly served, has been informed by the officer in charge of this police station. However, the informant respondent number 2 did not appear in the matter. Dr. Pooja Agrawal, pointed at the manifest. Sub copy by tomorrow. List on 19th.
All right, Lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application, lordship. In this case, this petitioner in jail custody for 135 days, lordship. Charge sheeted case, FIR lordship will find on page 19, lordship. The case was registered under 10 of the POCSO and 74 of the BNS, lordship, where punishment is 5 to 7 years, lordship. Now, lordship, may I take you, lordship, page 32, lordship. The medical evidence, lordship, the informant, lordship, did not allow her daughter to be medically examined, lordship. Page 34 is the vernacular, lordship.
Someone has to be appointed.
There is their lordship, appointed lordship.
Who has been appointed?
Gogoi.
His name shown.
Yes, Lordship.
And one more aspect, Lordship, where the evidence, Lordship, not started, Lordship, because on the last process,
Sharma,
at the
এখনো প্রাসায় দীক্ষিত লোক ফোন করো। Why is not appearing? Being an MI first. Delete করে দিব লাগে নাম তো যদি ফটো টেপে আন।
Evidence নিয়ে হয়েছে কিন্তু appearing
We'll take it after some time.
Hello.
No, please, your lordship. Where in this case, lordship, it is shown that LCR received, but in the present case, lordship, no notice was issued, although it is a case under POXO, lordship. So, probably-
Raja,
Lordship,
take steps on the comment.
lordship.
How come it has developed? The promoter. Petitioner shall take steps. Sub-service of notice on the comment as shown in number 2. By such and such. But this has to come from Morigaon.
Moria.
Twenty-seventh. The officer in charge of Morigaon Police Station shall apprise the for the service of notice of this bill application. That's it. Same thing. Okay.
Obliged.
You provide now. In Indian medicine.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, regular bail application of the FIR 17. Lordship, today is 1890, and if the person arrested is a government employee, Lordship, and working as a head constable in Coronation Armed Police Battalion.
You have the case there. This is from which police station?
Laluk,
What is the quantity?
26.75 kg, Lordship. Lordship,
Mr. Parashar? We'll take up tomorrow. Or want some more time.
police.
That what, first of all, and also whether the FSL report has been received or not. Let us know. This is from Lakhimpur. So tomorrow you tell us, otherwise you'll be completing 90 days tomorrow. And there is no extension.
Tomorrow.
Please tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship? Today is 82 days, your lordship.
Any information? Yogi Gopa. Fourteen two. The office received the copy. Your office.
Days.
82 days.
After some time. Regarding report,
Lordship, considering the nature of allegation here, Lordship. 'Length of detention here.
19th March. District. No representation on behalf of the petitioner for list after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed. Do name of the two councils have been declared in the process. Series of 2 weeks on a date to be fixed.
For repeat bail application.
Just a minute. 15. Mr. Chaudhary. Yes. It appears the amicus curiae is sick. That's why it can come from last 3 days. So we'll have next week.
Can you read tomorrow, Lordship?
Tomorrow it's difficult. Just like today, we are having a program again tomorrow. I don't know how, to what extent we will able to sit. That is the reason. We'll have it immediately on the 17th or 18th.
Not 17, 18, Lordship. Can it be on 19 or 20?
Tell us on 19th.
19, Lordship.
One, no evidence is started yet. So the two PW were present in the last period, but the PO wasn't pending.
We'll have it on 19th.
But the option was given to the victim, Lordship. She has not appeared twice, Lordship.
We'll see to that. We'll see to
Lordship,
that.
I have another tier, item number 36. There, Lordship, case diary has not come, Lordship.
Which
Can-
police station?
This is from Lordship, Lakhimpur, Lordship. Laluk, Lordship.
The first time or second time?
Lordship, the first time, Lordship, NDPS, Lordship, intermediate quantity, Lordship. Today, 38 days, Lordship.
Fine.
FSL report was not there. Probably case diary and FSL report was called.
24, 25, 28, 25. Okay. 36, 25.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? 46.
Yes, give us a date. 24th. Or when?
Lordship, on 25th, it will be 60, Lordship. Maybe on 25th.
Okay, on 25th.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes. Please take your seat.
Commercial quantity, the question we have not. Today 74.
वो बेसी আছে 101 days সেইটো বাবু আহমেদ বল ভैया কোন The lordship is inclined to wait for the FSL report, madam, which can be given a date. Otherwise, I am arrested on the statement of co-accused. So it will be independent of the FSL report. Oh.
Twenty-seventh. Also, let us know on that day whether extension has been sought for or not by the PP, whether the IU.
Right. Well, it seems in this case, my lord, we had filed a bail application and subsequently a legal aid has also filed a bail application for the same accused petitioner, my lord.
But in this case, as per instruction, I am informed. And today I will find a color. They are to vote. Either we can.
Only one, I have only gone through the statement of the legal, but as per official service evidence, so I have not gone to other. I have gone through the statement of the victim, Malad, but other I have not gone through Malad, as the service was evident, Malad. And now he has appeared, Malad.
You have not yet filed Okarat, no?
Today I am going to file Okarat. So yesterday I had instructed. to apply.
21st.
My lord. And the other matter, my lord, it seems must have been a bona fide mistake because.
No, it is not a mistake because the legal service authority did not inform her. We'll pass the necessary
My
order
lord.
on the next day.
My lord. Oh, same accused or any.
Oh, legal aid.
I'm deeply obliged. my lord.
In item number 26, lordship, steps were not taken. Then 325, office note.
Now, with regard to item number 25, we have the
Twen-
information.
25, lordship, it is awaited, lordship. Service report is also awaited and we have also not received the instruction notes.
Lordship, as regard item 26, I may be allowed to take fresh steps during the course of the day.
Where is the office noted at 07032025? Petitioner has not yet taken steps on the informant. Opposite party number 2 as directed on 17022025. Steps on the informant opposite party number 2 shall be taken on or before. 12/03/2025. Serving it, for it. এটা তুমি মারাই নাই অক্টোবর টাকা প্রতিলাভ করছে তুমি মারা দিচ্ছ 28th of April, Mr. Sharma, 28th of March, not April.
Oblige, your lordship.
Second to Marine, that's good. On list on 28, on the said date, the officer in charge of Zagirot Police Station shall apprise the court pertaining to service of notice of bail application 394/2025 Abdul Kaur, as well as bail application number 391/2025. The informant opposite the number.
May I please? 21. 21. 20.
Yes, 29.
Lordship, NCR is different.
Why? We have passed the order on 17th of February.
Lordship, NCR not received.
Why?
For pending.
You are not like others. You are NCB. And NCB is in party only. Hmm?
The matter is pending. with-
Give us a date.
Lordship, next week.
Starts it, offense report file.
No, Lordship. Objection not filed. The matter is pending before this passengers coming out.
What is the case number?
Lordship, 133/2023.
No, that is the NDPS case number. What
Yes,
is the
Lordship.
case number before the Court of Law and Session Judge? So it is pending before the additional session judge.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the case number before the additional session? Judge?
133/2023, NDPS case number.
Where is your the offense report?
Lordship, offense report at page number 12. Start from page number 12.
Page.
Page 12.
Call for the eligible scan copy of the records of NDPS case number 133/2023 arising out of NCB crime number 05/2023 from the Court of Law, Special Judge NDPS Additional Session Judge number 2,
Yes,
Kamrup Metro,
yes, Lordship.
Guwahati, as on 21/03/2025, released on 28th of March. Register Judicial, Court which.
Oblige. Highly oblige. Make the Lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the timing, Your Lordship.
Here, my next date is fixed for 7/3/25. And charges were framed on recently on 21/1/25. Otherwise, it's a conscious position.
Registry shall obtain the order it is 07032025. Passed by the London Special Judge NDPS. From Session Judge Sonitpur, Tezpur. In special NDPS case number 96 of 2024. From the Court of Appeal. And shall place it on the record. List on 24th of March.
Obliged, Lordship.
E2 Lordship, we have not received the instruction Lordship, and also office note 7025 also indicates the same. Service report awaited.
From Lalu,
Lordship,
get it?
Lordship.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Do name of the 6 councils have been reflected in the cause list. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Then.
May I please, Lordship, fixed on date.
Okay, yes, Mr. Sharma,
Lordship,
Lordship, the behind the bar, Lordship, 334 days.
24th of March,
Lordship,
get the information from the
Lordship,
officer in charge of Lalu Police.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes, my lord. May I please the lordship? I was arrested on 24/6/2023, my lord. I am behind the bar for 1 year, 8 months, 16 days. Nothing has been recovered from the possession at all possession from the petitioner. Out of 10, 4 witnesses were examined. Not a single thing has been said against me. My humble submission before your lordship, as per Apex Court judgment, in my fundamental right has been violated, my lord.
We'll look into it, but thing is this, though notification, it is communication was made, we have not received the record.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
It's a reminder for the records of NDPS case number 43/2023 to the Court of London Special Judge NDPS from Session Judge Kamrup Amingaon. As directed earlier on 19/02/2025. Fourth week will leave, but episode as directed Session Judge. List on. Today is 19. Today is 21st.
Yes, ma'am.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, the petitioners were arrested on 21/2025 and have been remained in.
You have the case record. You need further examination, they're all in custody.
Lordship, they have remained in the judicial custody for nearly 50 days.
My lord, the thing is that, though they are, my lord, some days in custody, my lord, but the case is, as my lord, they want to create a communal unrest between the family, and that is what their motive is. So, in my humble submission, I let it
That is
be.
different.
Yes, ma'am, because they are as a, my lord. So what is their
Were there
motive? How-
any cattle recovered?
No, my lord, it is regarding, my lord, keeping of, my lord, cut meat in the worship place, my lord.
But-
And they have also, their statements also reveal that, my lord, they have made their.
Addition of the prosecutor. Petitioner's name. All under police station, Bogibari, district Kokrajhar. Filed this bail application on 18/02/2025. Praying for their bail. In Bogibari, PF case number such and such. That's second such and such. Corresponding to the number 608/2024. In which they were arrested on (21/01/2025) and in custody since then. As per the FIR, dated 30/12/2024. Clause by the complainant before the Bogibari police station. The case is that on 30/12/2024, around 8:30 AM, when one of the employee of 25 Hat Kali Mandir Porichalona Committee opened the said temple as usual, noticed blood stain inside the temple and was informed, and she informed the authorities of the said temple immediately. The complainant suspected that some unknown miscreants blood stain bag, not all blood stain inside the temple. The complainant suspected in the previous night some unscrupulous persons have kept said blood stain bag along with meat have kept inside the temple. The note of the IO indicates that placed before the court by Mr. Goswami and additional public prosecutor indicates that only to disturb the tranquility and harmony amongst the members of the society at village Araijani Part 2. The miscreants have kept the blood-stained bag inside the temple. So as to create a law and order situation creating communal disturbance in the area. On perusal of the case, and the materials and the materials in it. Within bucket liquor. City is up to 04022202. The code is of the opinion that further custodial detention of the petitioner's name above are not warranted. Or in dismissed exam said for very PS case number such and such corresponding to GR number such and such. Already. Chief Judicial Magistrate Pokrajar 75,000 each, 2 local security each, 1 of actual government employee. Condition board party. Return the case.
Your pleasure.
Yes, Mr. Goswami who is appearing.
There is one FSL report is not.
Arrested when?
20th of January, forwarding report of 20th of January 25.
19 January, my lord.
Arrested on 19.
19-1, my lord.
Today
FIR, my lord.
51.
51 days, my lord. FIR pledge 11, my lord.
এখন কিবা ওলাই আছে।
Yes, what happened? FSL you have not received. 28 positively. Less than 28. For the 11 FSL report.
Then it will be well mandatory over period will be over
That is why you are fixing your 28.
61 days. It
It will be 60 days.
60 days. Forty-three or dear. 43, yeah.
May I please, your lordship, matter may be taken after some time. My senior will appear.
Today it is difficult, ma'am. We'll be rising early. Or if you want some other day. Monday.
Thursday, lordship.
Thursday, we have huge board. We'll consider on Monday. We have less cases. Up to you. Monday, prayer.
May I please, your lordship? Well, today is 60 days. Intermediate quantity.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, CD is here, Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted.
What is the recovery?
Recovery is Lordship. Brown sugar, Lordship.
Hmm?
Brown sugar,
Amount.
11 grams.
It is how many days?
60 days first.
So default rate. 21B.
Lordship,
Yes.
Special judge NDPS Bongaigaon. To local children. Condition voted. সোনকালে মাৰিব মই চাই তিনটাত গুচি যাব লাগিব
Well, special just Bongaigaon.
will be appearing for the state. Mr. Sharma.
my lord, in this case, my lord, we have already filed, my lord, our reply also. That may be in the record. And my only submission.
Who is appearing? PP is appearing?
It's coming, Lordship.
Take it next time. Oh, he's here. Mr. Fukan.
My lord,
Just tell us whether the provisions of 47, 48 will comply with the.
here, my lord, in pursuance to the honorable court, my lord, the earlier order, we have already filed, my lord,
We have
to
seen
affidavit,
that.
my lord.
Just tell us.
In this regard, my lord, the allegations
Do
which
not
was,
want to open the brief. Just tell us whether the provisions have been complied with or not. That's all.
my lord, yes, here in this case, my lord, only sonorous was there, my lord. There is no 47, 48 is there, not there, my lord.
Not been complied.
None, no, my lord.
So
They have followed the only, my lord, the sonorous position.
now,
my lord.
being a public prosecutor, tell us whether
My lord, so
can
far
we
as
detain
concerned,
him by any order.
my lord, so far as concerned, my lord, till my practice, my lord, in sonorous cases, my lord, if I, my lord, the check, the last previous cases, any sonorous cases, my lord, there is no 47, 48 is there.
See, basically, what is happening, in phase by phase, In fact, we have discussed all these issues in last Saturday and Sunday
My lord, my lord.
in our NJ at Bhopal. In fact, it is not only the Vivan's case, there are earlier many cases,
My lord.
right?
Yes,
That is why section 50A came in
my lord.
because of the direction of the apex court.
Yes,
It was amended, the CRPC was amended for that reason,
yes.
right?
Right.
If you read the DK Basu's
My
case,
lord,
it is of
yes.
1972,
My
the
lord.
syllabus said, and you read it 1983. All
These are
these
my lord, not new
cases-
things, my lord.
That is why
My lord.
they are the very specifically honorable apex. In fact, the syllabus cases that is from Maharashtra,
My lord.
it is with a female, somebody was kept in jail. It was that three judges judgment, whereas very specifically, maybe at paragraph 4.1, I think so, if I'm not wrong, whereas very specifically mentioned, you have to provide. You have to provide. And that's a constitutional provision.
My lord, is correct.
And that's where in the cases subsequent to that, living at this is Vivian's case is very, Vivian's Kumar is very latest case, right?
My lord, yes.
So the previous, all these cases, it has been very specifically mentioned what is the reason, otherwise it will be violation of the Article 22.1.
My lord.
So,
Okay.
and that once any violation of the constitutional provisions,
My lord, yes.
benefit will go to the,
We all are binding.
whether he or she is involved in a heinous crime or not.
Absolutely.
So when this has not been complied with here,
But my lord, here the order sheet, my lord, their signature is there, my lord. And here it is said by the magistrate, arrested accused persons been informed about their ground of sole arrest in the instant case, and their all signatures is there, my lord, in the order.
percentage case. See, difficulty is the law has been laid down.
My lord.
It has to be satisfaction of the magistrate, right?
And diary?
Satisfaction of the magistrate.
That is the part of the diary, my lord. We are not the part of the
We
diary.
are not on that. The remaining part of the 51, 47, 48 is that 4 is that it has to be
My lord.
satisfaction. That was given the power. It is not new. 50A was already there, right? And secondly, it has to be communicated.
My lord, yes.
And the communication is not oral.
My lord, yes. But
If it is
initially,
If
statute,
it
my
is
lord.
oral, then it has to be recorded in some record.
Yes, my lord. In the statute, nowhere it is mentioned, my lord, orally or written. It is communicated. But Bihan Kumar's and Purukash's, my lord, they are clearly say it should be
The
in
other
writing.
judgments in communications, if you read through the service laws and
My
others,
lord.
what is the mode of communication?
Yes.
It has been laid down, what is the communication?
My
In
lord.
fact, if you go through the, there are various cases of even for Amara High Court,
My lord, yes.
there are judgments. If you read that judgment is, what is that Sharma? Ashok Kumar Sharma or something was arrested. He belongs to Socialist Party, he was arrested. It is a report, it's old case, around 72,
My lord.
right? What Sharma, some Ashok Kumar Sharma or some Kumar Sharma, I forgot the name, Ajit Kumar Sharma.
Hmm.
There you read, Justice Baharul Islam laid down the Lordship Division Bench judgment. There it has also been specified, it has to be communicated, and communication means
In writing.
this matter need not go into apex court, but there it is laid down, it has to be in writing.
Lordship.
Mr. Bharat, take your seat.
My lord.
Two of the affidavits has been filed, one by the Home Department, another by the SP,
Another by the, my lord, the IO of the case.
the SP. But you have not mentioned, that is the reason whether it has been complied with or not. Why you have remained silent in your affidavit?
My lord,
Really
law
shy.
is my lord. We
See,
all are my lord.
don't feel
But-
shy, this is things.
No, no, my lord.
Right?
Already, my lord, in the orders, my lord, it has been reflected. If there is no any 47, 48, my lord, I leave it to your lordship. That is already been reflected, my lord, in earlier my submissions, my lord.
You have categorically stated if it is available in the case, there is fine, otherwise the order has to be
My
passed.
lord, yes. Now, my lord, we have, my lord, the, my lord, the go through the case, my lord, we have not find the 47, 48, my lord.
Can't help it. Okay, we'll go through it and pass the order.
Lordship.
Mr. Bora, just one thing,
Madam.
we have to leave court early because we have to reach the Judicial Academy by 4:45.
Madam.
So the order may not be available today, it will be uploaded tomorrow.
Madam.
Only that. thing.
Oh,
Look
oh.
at it.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
And Mr. M. Bora, who is appearing for the other matter? You are appearing for two.
I am appearing for the true and he is appearing for the.
What's your good name?
MS Hussain.
You are led by Mr. Pathak.
Along with the part. Item 56.
55 and 57.
You are for it. M. Bora for 55, 56, 55 and 57. Assisted by DK Vaidya. And 55. And 56, assisted by Mr. Raman Sasi. Okay, good. Very good. It must have. Okay, we'll pass the order.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
No representation.
None.
44. Zoning of the.
Master.
The English Council has left the court, your lordship, so the matter may be fixed on 20 or 19, your lordship. And it is also not there, your lordship.
19th.
Okay,
We have the closest. Okay,
44 and 45. 44 and 45.
44, 45 together.
Yes, yes. Well, mass obligation.
Next.
May it please your lordship. Anticipatory bail application, madam. Case diary was called for, madam. Case diary is available.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, what is the,
CD received, madam.
yes, tell us.
It's a 2023 FIR, my lord. Initially, the case diary had come and your lordship had directed that case diary be sent back for updation.
Madam, can it be taken up just after some time, madam? Mr. Parasar have gone through, madam, just. Because there.
May I take your lordship? Yes.
Victim statement, my lord. But statement before magistrate, I have not. Yes, sir, I did one. There is a note of the IO regarding recording the statement, but I have not found the statement, my lord, before magistrate. Yeah, man.
Heard.
Lordship is rejecting. Lordship, there's a couple of submissions, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship is intent. But if your lordship sees the sections under which the case has been registered, 384, my lord, IPC is only committed when the money is paid. Pursuant to the extortion, the money is paid, my lord. There is no allegation of payment. Allegation is that the money was demanded, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, regarding 468 CRPC, my lord, that is forgery for the purpose of cheating. Again, my lord, here the accusation is not cheating, my lord, will have the same connotation as 420 of the IPC, my lord. That element is also not there in the FIR.
Why?
My lord, because for that there has to be dishonest inducement for the purpose of delivery of property, my lord. When there's a sale, for example, my lord, a sale deed is forced, pursuant to the forced sale deed, a payment is made, my lord, then 468 will be attracted.
Here is a marriage.
Yes, my lord, but then there's no, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, no delivery of any property, my lord. A marriage agreement purportedly, my lord, which is, the allegation is that it is a fake document, but not to attract 468, my lord. As regards, my lord, section 67 of the IT Act, my lord, that would be available, my lord, in terms of 77B of the IT Act, my lord. So on that, and perhaps this is the case of 2023. This is 25, my lord. So considering the time which has passed. Correct provision, my lord, would be 385 and not 84. 85 would be available and 84, my lord. 84 is not available.
Yes, Mr. Parasar, what do you have to say?
Not, going with the statements of the existing government. And, note of the traffic improvement. I don't know if it's getting given of money or some other things. Taken in the so let's handle with my social media and share to the very. I have taken information. What reflected in the inner statement, as I have he recognized from teacher the situation is.
Heard Mr. S. Noaz, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K. Parashar, learned additional public prosecutor. Appearing for the state. By this application under section 482. CRPC. The petitioner, namely such and such. Filed with application on 07/11/2024, apprehending his arrest in Patharpalli case number such and such, registered under section such and such. Corresponding to TR number 2208/2024.
না আৰু মই ইনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যনো ৰিচিভ কৰিছিলো মই সেইটো খালি জনাই দিম হা
As for the FIR
টেলিফোনিক ইনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন
of the case, the FIR dated 13/10/2023, lodged by the complainant before Patharkandi police station. The case is that on 02/09/2023, the accused persons of the case conspired to make obscene photos of the daughter of the complainant and spread it on social media. And further, the accused petitioner made a fake marriage court notary and uploaded it in his Facebook. Because of such incidents, the daughter of the complainant, being ashamed and disgusted, is in the fault of committing suicide. The said affair of the complainant, the 13/10/2023, was accordingly registered as Patharkandi Police Station case number 306/2023 under section 384/468/34 IPC. Related section 67 of the IT Act. Where is the case that he placed before the court? Mr. Nawaz, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submitted that there is no ingredients of cheating and delivery of property. As such, the petitioner cannot be confined or detained in custody. From the perusal of the case diary, and the statement of the independent witnesses, including the witnesses allegedly signed in the notary agreement of the marriage certificate. It is seen that as well as the report pertaining to the uploaded obscene scene of the obscene photographs of the accused petitioner and the daughter of the complainant. That he circulated to many. Have been seized by police. The case diary contains sufficient incriminating materials against the petitioner pertaining to his involvement in the alleged crime. Considering the same photos review, it's not a quick case to grant pre-arrest bail to the petitioner, namely such and such, such and such. Return the case diary.
I'm deeply obliged, sir.
May it be pleases your lordship. Your lordship, pertaining to your lordship 52, your lordship suppli motion. Your lordship, on the last date, your lordship.
Yes, it will come together on the next day.
Your lordship, I have pertaining received a communication telephonic instruction. His elder brother wife has called me, your lordship. They have no acknowledgement. They doesn't know that the other application has already been filed.
Discuss, don't worry for that.
Deeply
Get
obliged.
the date from Mr. Nawaz.
Yes, your lordship, deeply obliged.
May I plead to your lordship? Last application schedule.
Yes, Mr. Parasar, he is on interim. Tell us. CD not received? He is on interim since 29 November.
One last.
No last chance. How can it be possible?
Yes. 29.
December, January, February. How many months to travel from Bongaigaon?
Around 3 years ago, 29/11, 8/11.
Tell us.
18/11.
Leka, petitioner is in interim. Bongaigaon PS case number 381/2024 since 29/11/2024. In spite of granting times on many occasions, the concerned investigating officer did not produce the case diary of Sri Bongaigaon PS case number such list on 24th for the up-to-date case diary, failing which the investigating officer of Bongaigaon PS case number 381/2022 shall personally remain present before this court at 10:30 AM.
Obliged lordship.
But up-to-date case diary, Mr. Parasar, not an old case diary of November 2024. Yes, Mr. Bora.
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner is on interim, my lord, and
Yes,
pursuant
yes,
to
yes.
interim order, they appeared
Yes, you have
on
the case diary.
18 and.
Is there any requirement? Just tell us.
They were here, the statement, here is statement recorded.
Whether custodial detention is required or not, just tell us.
There was regarding some conflict and all this.
Page 18 in the FIR.
When did he appear?
Appeared on first on, my lord. Appeared on.
After the interim.
No, yes, 18 February and 1st February. A petitioner number 1 is appeared before interim also.
Statements are available.
Both are one IIT and from Madras, my lord, and their business, my lord, page 18.
Third, Mr. N. Brogan, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. A.K. Parasar for it. The petitioner's namely sections has filed this application on 10/02/2025. On section 482 BNSS. Here, appears failed apprehending the arrest and puts the police station case number such and such. Under section such and such. Corresponding to GR number 559/2025. As for the FIR dated 01/02/2025, lodged before the Worcester Police Station by the complainant. The case is that on 31/01/2025, on boarding labor was forcefully picked up boarding labor, a labor from a complainant's boarding vehicle bearing registration number AS 32C1629. Was forcefully picked up by unknown miscreants from Saurabh Nagar. And was recovered as was dropped by those unknown miscreants, as was dropped at Bongaon near Guwahati Boring by near a car named Guwahati Boring. Accordingly, Worcester PS case number 72/2025 under section 140/3 of the BNFs was registered. Mr. Parasar and additional public prosecutor. From the case there is submitted that the petitioners appeared before the concerned investigating officer of said Worcester PS case number such and such. On obtaining interim PRS paid on 12/02/2025, and their statements have been recorded. From the case there, Mr. Parasar also submitted that there is some dispute between the complainant and the informant relating to contractual matters. Considering the same, the court is ruled that custodial detention of the petitioners are not warranted. Already for as such, the interim PRS bail granted to the petitioner's name of earlier on. Hereby made absolute. Subject to the compliance of the direction issued in the order, director, as well as of the by their complaint following directions for a legal appeal. Absolutely. No representation on the petition for placed after 2 weeks. You have the case there?
Yes.
May I please your lordship? My lord, case there you were called for a discussion, my lord.
Receipt, Lordship.
482 of the my lord BNSS.
Lordship, I have just like to place one order, Lordship, is relating to the co-accused, Lordship, where,
Vijay Taman.
yes, Vijay Tamang, Lordship. On earlier occasion, Lordship has gone through the case diary, and on similar facts and circumstances of the case, the bail application of the co-accused was rejected, Lordship. This present petitioner is on the same footing, Lordship. Until now, the case is pending for their arrest, Lordship.
My instruction is that, my lord, he is a, my lord, purchaser of vehicle from my lord, Onu Patar, my lord. He has, my lord, purchased one vehicle, my lord. And my lord, he has run that vehicle for, my lord, almost 2 years, my lord. And during that time, my lord, the local boys of that area also, my lord, persons.
Earlier rejected by disco.
No,
Yes.
my lord.
No,
One
no,
Vijay amongst, my lord, his case
no,
was
this, was it
rejected.
just rejected by disco?
No, he is fresh, Lordship, fresh case, Lordship.
Who accused bail prayer was rejected by your lordship. That is
Let
why,
us
my
see
lord.
what are the
we
materials
published.
again.
Particularly, Lordship, in that order, Lordship, paragraph 10 and 11, Lordship, that is sufficient for the adjudication.
Mr. Chaudhary,
My lord.
it's not a good case. There are materials. It is true that the main accused is to sell it to the present petitioner. But difficulty is the present petitioner instigated. There are materials how to procure it and sell it. Anyway,
There are 6, my lord. I have mentioned my case, my lord, that one, my lord, that Bolero mini pickup, my lord. Registration number AS01PC
accepting
1562.
because one particular Bolero vehicle, pickup vehicle could be recovered and that gave the link. The purchaser himself has said many things from whom the vehicle was recovered.
My instruction is that, my lord, from one Gautam Patter, my lord. whom I was introduced to my lord by this Unup Patar, my lord, the accused number one. He was arrested and he
There are
was,
many independent witnesses. What we have seen, it is before us.
my lord,
They have implicated the petitioner. Because the main accused, that Patel,
Unup Patar, my lord.
then the present petitioner, and the other Mr. Tamang, Las Lama. These three other persons involved. Retaining the case there for some time. Lordship. Administrative. Okay, big case for materials in the case. Huh?
Particularly paragraph 10 and 11.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Because the earlier.
Please take your seat. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
please submit.
Yes, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, while taking loan, this particular loan, because the documents have been thoroughly checked up by the concerned bank, my lord. After that, my lord, we received this particular loan. So without going through those documents, my lord, matter cannot be given, my lord. The bank should not have given loan.
So your
So-
first conditions, document has been thoroughly checked up by the
Thoroughly checked up by the
bank.
before granting bail. Sorry, before granting loan. So had it not been, checked out, why they should have sanctioned such a huge amount to me, my lord? That is my first contention, my lord. And it has been admitted, my lord, because in the FIR also it has been mentioned, my lord. In the FIR, my lord, page 14, my lord, because that is clearly mentioned, my lord. Because from my side, knowingly, my lord, I have never transferred this land to the other, Abhishek Kumar Soni. Abhishek Kumar Soni, because by manipulation, because he was one time my partner, that was, the partnership was terminated in the year 2017, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, he might have managed to some other manipulation, my lord, and even he filed another civil suit court, my lord, for this particular land. And that only came to know because after filing the counter by the bank authority, my lord. Then only I came to know about the filing of the suit, my lord. Had it been known to me earlier, when I could have filed a suit against him, my lord, because I have no idea about that, my lord. So, my lord, the bank authority, my lord, after going through all the documents, my lord, have granted this particular sort of loan. And without that, my lord, I cannot avail the chance of loan, my lord, to get this loan. So that is why, lord, my humble submission is that because and moreover, my lord, he is a cancer patient that has been detected, my lord, and which has been seen in my bail application, my lord, is last page, my lord, last page number 21. Here, in the Repico diagnostic, my lord, it has been detected that impression, my lord, is show fragile growth, malignant, my lord. Malignant means which it becomes a cancer, my lord. It is maybe in the first stage, my lord. For that, my lord, doctor also advised me to go to the well-equipped hospital for my further treatment, my lord. But I cannot go, my lord, without the, permission from the honorable court. But that is why, lord, because I am waiting for this consideration of my bail, my lord. Without that, my lord, I cannot go, my lord, at this stage, my lord. So I am ready to cooperate with any condition imposed by the honorable court as well as by the police from time to time. But only thing is that at this stage, either petitioners number 2 is the housewife of the particular petitioner number 1, and he is also a housewife, nothing to do with the case, my lord. And we have never transferred knowingly, my lord, from our side to in favor of the Abhishek Kumar Soni, my lord. It is all. And we have not yet received the summon from the concerned court also regarding this filing of the suit also, my lord.
Notice, 51.
And the 41 notice.
Yeah.
And this particular FIR, my lord, is also registered, my lord, after coming into effect of this particular BNS, my lord. So in that case, my lord, the notice should be, my lord, not under section 41A, my lord. It should be some other else, my lord. It should be under section.
420, 460.
Yes. The FIR was registered as per the REPCO. FIR registered only on 8/2/25, my lord. So, my lord, in that case, lordship, since FIR has been registered only on 8/2/25, the notice of summon also should come under section 35 of the new act, my lord. FIR also registered under the old act, though the police received the general diary information only on 8/2/25, because these are all completely wrong, my lord. The registration of the FIR itself is wrong, and the summon also not served properly, my lord, in the new act, my lord. As for the new act, my lord. All this, my lord, because I am ready to cooperate with the, investigation, whatever may be the cases, my lord. But being the health condition, my lord, of the petitioner number 1, he may be allowed to go on bail, and the petitioner number 2 also similarly circumstances, my lord, She's a housewife, my lord. She's a housewife.
No, no.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, first concession, my lord, my learned senior finance said, my lord, banks should not have given, my lord. That cannot be a ground, my lord, at this stage, because although, my lord, that is a
Certain,
different,
what we have called for the earlier records.
yes,
From there, what we could see,
yes,
the State Bank of India had issued a sale notice.
Yes, that is separate land,
Right.
not same land. But he
No,
episode
Listen, listen, listen. No. There is sale notice.
Yes.
That includes the house on which the petitioner is claiming to be residing.
but my lord, as per the, my lord, the documents he has given, my lord,
Hmm.
it cannot be a ground that he doesn't know that it has been transferred, my lord.
No, that is
That-
what we found.
That cannot be, my lord. But he has given those documents, my lord. In a way, he has admitted that your lordship will currently see, my lord. On 2017, the case, that land has been transferred. And now he is claiming innocence that he doesn't know, my lord. And that, on the basis of that documents, my lord, he has procured the loan, my lord. Whether bank is involved or not, my lord, that I am not going to that aspect, my lord.
No.
My lord.
What I'm saying, there is a
Yes, sir.
reason behind that. This part has not been stated here.
That is a different case, my lord. Now you know, you kindly come to, my lord, the the lordship kindly go to the FIR part, my lord, page 15, my lord. अभी data में क्या बोलूं?
Please take your seat, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship.
The land involved in this case
Lordship,
was mortgaged with Chola Bank when, Mr. Mahant?
as per the, my lord, FI, it is 2022.
Uh-huh.
2022. In February 2022.
February 2022. Is 40.
Mr. Mahanta, please come to your affidavit.
My lord.
There are six.
Fella,
Six.
my lord. The deponent beg to state that on 23/2/2020, the petitioner was shown in the affidavit before the notary public Metro Guwahati stating that they are resident ever mentioned mortgage property and they had not sold those gifted to the said property. My lord,
He has shown a separate house, my lord. I'll come to that, my lord, if you're.
That is what we found, but the same house was already mortgaged to the State
My
Bank
lord,
of India.
that is why probably that land is different, my lord.
No, no, no. Same house.
So in a very
Same
big,
house, the same plot, Sonai Miki plot, but they have changed the numbers. That's what I was comparing.
I'm submitting, my lord. If your lordship, my lord, there is a design manner from very beginning in both the bank. He is sitting. I'll place everything, my lord, one by one, if you let me allow.
Very surprising.
That,
This is
in
a-
that case, my lord, what he is doing, my lord, he has, my lord, in the name of more dead men, my lord.
No, that was, we understood. There was a sale deed that was executed after the date of the.
And now he has said that, my lord, because of the register, sub-register said, and so I have done it.
No, no, that is what is happening here. Here, it is the document of the petitioner
My lord.
that the land was already mortgaged to the State Bank of India. And that is why the sale notice was there. The same house in which he is residing now,
My lord,
that as per this para 6,
my lord,
at Sonai Mikir Port. This house is at Sonai Mikir Port, right?
my lord.
Same house was already mortgaged along with the land to the State Bank of India. Of course, that is not known when, because it was a sale.
My lord, that I do, that chapter I do not know, but here in this case, my lord, how he has done, my lord, he has purchased the land from 2015, my lord. He has purchased this particular land, correct? Your lordship kindly see, my lord, that affidavit, that, my lord, where he is putting his, my lord, signature. What signature? Short signature. Then, my lord, that land was he sold to, my lord, that Sonny, Mr. Sonny in 2017. 2018, he has sent in, my lord, sold it, my lord, by putting, my lord, your lordship kindly see full signature. I'll come to that, my lord. From very beginning, my lord, he was how he has, my lord, in a design manner, he has done it. And what happened, my lord, nowadays, when you have to make a sale deed, you have to put your photograph, and the person or advocate concerned, who is, my lord, done it, he has to put his identity card. Here also, my identity card, everything is there. I'll place one by one, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, now, my lord, in some, here also, my lord, he has given signature, my lord, full. That is televidya, my lord. When I open, it is televidya, my lord. The signature which is put in the, my lord, first sale deed, my lord, which he says that, my lord, I have not done it. I have not done it, but by virtue of that, my lord, the Mr. Sonny has already entered in the house, my lord. At that point of time, my lord, what happened? The record was not corrected. That's why he managed to get my non-incumbent certificate. But after filing of my affidavit, till today he has not given any reply that is not by me, that is the fraud, and we have filed a FIR. No, that plea is not there. In fact, Sonny now, because we put a sale notice on that building, then Sonny came to the court, file a civil suit that I may be at least the case may be going on, we should not be affected by the bank. So he filed a case for permanent case for confirmation of position against him, my lord. And that he is clearly stated that this person sold out to him 2018. And probably his evidence also will be taken by the police, my lord, here. So my submission before your lordship kindly say there is an earlier incident also he has done it this type of. Here also, my lord, in a very design manner he has done it, my lord. He should, if he is a kind enough, he is a genuine man, then he should immediately file a FIR that this is not done by me. This is not my signature, this is not my photograph. But till today that has not been done. Moreover, my lord, till today, my lord, he is not appearing before the court in spite of the 41 notice, my lord. Before the police, my lord. By sending 4136, it is no matter, my lord. There is a notice by the police, my lord. He has not giving reply by through advocate, my lord. So my submission before your lordship, here in this case, my lord, probably, my lord, some, my lord, last 1 year he has not, my lord. Because in my affidavit, my lord, your lordship kindly see, that sale deed, my lord, which was, my lord, he has not been denied by filing any affidavit till today. Yes.
That sale deed was executed on
14, registered sale deed on 14/10/2017, page 50. No.
1310. Page number 50.
50, my lord.
Certificate issue date is 1310.
Yes, certificate issued 1310, my lord. Devnath Sharma is a proprietor. And my lord, Abhishek Soni, now my lord, Abhishek Soni, I filed a civil suit, my lord. because he is sufficient notice on his building, my lord. Your lordship, kindly see that signature Devnath Sharma, photograph is there. Page 54, Devnath Sharma signature is there.
No, it's there in 50, 51.
All pages, my lord. And now, my lord, signature of the additional affidavit, your lordship, kindly see. The land which was sold out in the 2017, by showing the same land, my lord, how he can get a, my lord, loan in 2022, my lord, giving false income, non-incumbent certificate. Because land was not corrected, that's why he managed to get, my lord, non-incumbent certificate from authority. And when inspection gets done, my lord, he has, my lord, showing a different plot of land. That land was correct, that mutation, my lord, corrected, my land record was corrected in 2025. Till 2025, my lord, his name, my lord. But
No,
he has,
it is, which affidavit you are talking about?
my lord, I have page 51, my lord, your lordship got it.
Oh.
That is the land sold out to, my lord, Mr. Sunny by this petitioner in 2017. Your lordship, kindly see the signature, my lord, Devnath Sharma. Devnath Sharma, my lord. Same land, my lord, which was mortgaged, my lord, in the bank, my lord. Hmm? Page 54, my lord, description of the land, my lord.
That we have seen.
Then, my lord, and FIR, my lord. It's not, so it's not. Last paper. Actually, from 2015, my lord. Then paper. This one. for that, sorry. The Petitioner. Not one of them, because I agree. Yes. Hand down. Reputed village, run down. 31 village. Okay, cross details and minus. Define qualification of this? No way connected. No way connected. No way connected. Kailan tulog mo na kanan? দুটো পেলে গেল। But land in earlier case and land in present case is different, my lord. They are two.
No, that was not the case. What we have seen that the State Bank of India issued a sale notice.
In respect of earlier case.
Different lane.
Sale notice
That is
that
different lane.
includes the house of the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
That
is
includes
different,
because that land which was already mortgaged with the State Bank of India.
No, that is different lane, my lord.
That cannot be the different land. Same house, same thing, RCC ground plus 2 building.
Then, my lord, in respect of my,
Sonai Mikiri Pot, we have only one house at Sonai Mikiri Pot.
but he,
There are two houses, my lord, in the university, my lord. There are two houses, my lord. Because the area and the dark numbers are different, my lord. That may kind of.
if the same house, my lord, is giving to the two defined bank, that is goes against to him, my lord.
No, that is it's clear here.
My lord,
So
he's,
you go through.
now he says that it is not different, but he says, my lord, it is different, but he's giving, my
That's
lord,
what we
document.
have got. This is the house, the sale notice. This is the house, same.
Then,
two
my
plots
lord,
of land.
probably there will be a third case, my lord. There will be a third case, because in the same land, my lord,
Same land, that same house, Sonai Mikiri Pot.
that how he can, my lord.
It is very clear. There are two portions of left side, you just see. Left side is his house. See at the top paragraph,
My lord.
ground plus 2, Sonai Mikiri Pot.
Same number and distribution with the heart.
Guard number 2936.
That's all.
Number given, person number 416.
Probably there is another, my lord.
Because it also mainly, the boundary is also similar.
My lord, then,
The house, where he is residing, same house is talking
then
about.
how he, my lord,
Person number
Patta number is 398. No, don't go there, we go there.
Pata number is 362, that number is 396. Huh?
Is it for Sonai Mikiri?
That's
Is it for SBI?
Showing something different and my lord executing something.
House is same.
House is same, my lord.
same house.
That is for sale by the State Bank of India.
But how State Bank of India, my lord, are involved, I do not know. But same property has given mortgage to us also, my lord. So we are concerned with that, my lord. When I went there, we putting a sale notice there. Then I came to know that someone, Sonny is there. He has been, he said, I purchased in 2022 and 22. No, my lord, what I am going to submit, my lord, very design manner, he sometimes short signature, sometimes full signature, my lord, but signature are same. And my lord, your lordship kindly see the person, my lord. Nowadays, my lord, so my lord, the person even, my lord, if you go for sale, my lord, you have to give photograph, you have to give the person that who has executed the deed, the advocate also, my lord. So now he, my lord, even my lord, after filing my affidavit, not say that, my lord, this is not done by me, this is not my photograph, this is signature, not me. Last 1 year, my lord, 3 crores of rupees, no installment has no EMI is, my lord, given, my lord. In fact, I am earlier order which was granted by bail by this honorable court in respect of Nunmati police case, my lord. And I have seen, my lord, that, my lord, I have, he knowing fully well the person is died. It is done because, my lord, against the dead man's signature, he has done, my lord, by the advice of the sub-register. That was the submission, my lord. So, my lord, here also, my lord, probably some officials are also included, my lord, officials are involved, my lord. That has to be, that's why, my lord, detention is required, my lord, to interrogate, my lord. Because who are behind him, my lord? Because in the same land, we once sold out.
Sharma, Mr. Goswami, there are two things. This is the document issued by the petitioner himself in his earlier bail petition. Whatever we have seen that police have issued him 41 in notice, he did not appear. That's
He did not
what is
appear.
here. Now, the investigation is pending at that stage.
At this time.
The police can inquire from
Yes.
the state bank regarding this sale notice.
Yes,
Take a
that-
photocopy and get it and
there-
place as
yes,
a
that
up-to-date
is-
case diary.
Yes, that is one part, my lord. And secondly, whatever his involvement, my lord, from the FIR lordship has seen, my lord. Even though if we admit, my lord, he has involved in the state bank case also, my lord. In that case, my lord, that is going against him, my lord, because he has used his
True.
land in 3 occasions, my lord. That is big, that means, my lord, he is a habitual offender. And also, my lord, there is another case that is, my lord, case number, and it was a case number. There is another case also that is registered, my lord, against him, my lord.
In which he took bail
In the
earlier.
Nunmati PS case.
Same case. that
Yes,
is
yes.
the case
Nunmati 147/23, my lord.
where he has
Yes.
taken bail.
Yes, where he has stated bail.
That is
Yeah,
different.
after arrest, my lord. Because this shows, my lord, he is a habitual offender, my lord. His antecedents are not good, my lord. Because for
That is not
AB,
the
my lord,
case.
he
It
has
is
to
a-
have,
Whether
this is a clear
for this
antecedents.
purpose, you will be requiring him for
Yes,
custody
my
and
lord, because he
interrogation.
has made, and also, my lord, in that regard, my lord, why I am showing so, and my learned friend, another contention has been made, my lord, he is given 41 notice. The lordship kindly note that the incident occurred on 2022, my lord. So that is why, my lord, it was registered in this section, my lord. And other things are there, my lord. Regarding the custody, my lord, that your lordship is asking me, my lord. Here, my lord, I would rely to, my lord, one case of, my lord, Honorable Apex Court, my lord, that is the Nibagadas case, my lord, where, my lord, the economic offenses, where it contains an economic offenses, my lord, the court's approach should not be a different approach. Court should take a different approach, what is been stated by the Honorable Court, my lord. The Honorable, at this case, my 2013 7 SCC 466, my lord. So may kindly see what the Honorable Court has stated.
2013.
2013 7 SCC 466. Now, my another thing, my lord, I just want to. Now, what are economic offenses, my lord? Whether it is economic offenses or not, Lordship may kindly take up this BNF 111, my lord. Thank you.
Yes.
Triple organized crime, my lord. The Lordship may kindly come to 1113. Subsection explanation 3.
Yes.
Yes, economic offense includes criminal breach of trust, forgery, counterfeiting of currency notes, bank notes, government stamps, hawala transaction, mass marketing fraud, or running any scheme to defraud several persons or doing act in any manner. This is important, my lord. Doing act in any manner with a view to defraud any bank or financial institution or any other institution or organization for obtaining monetary benefits in any form, my lord. This is exactly squarely covers his act, my lord, because by submitting those fake documents, my lord, he has procured a loan of 3.6 crores, my lord. Not in this case, in others also, my lord. And now your lordship may kindly come to the honorable court's order, my lord. Supreme Court's order, my lord. What it said, my lord. Economic offenses constitute a class apart and need to be visited with a different approach in a matter of bail. Economic offense having deep-rooted conspiracies and involve huge loss of public funds needs to be viewed seriously and considered as grave offenses affecting the economy of the country as a whole and thereby posing serious threat to the financial health of the country. Lordship, last three paragraphs, Lordship may kindly note, my lord. While there is another important paragraph, my lord. While granting bail, the court has to keep in mind the nature of accusation, the nature of evidence in support thereof, the severity of punishment which conviction will entail, the character of the accused, circumstances which are peculiar to the reasonable possibility, and another thing, and I'm skipping those. It has also to be kept in mind that for the purpose of granting bail, legislature has used the word reasonable ground for bailing instead of evidence, which means the court dealing with the grant of bail can only satisfy it as to whether there is genuine case against the accused and that prosecution will be able to produce prima facie evidence in support of the charge. It is not expected at this stage to have the evidence establishing the guilt of the accused. That means the lordship, what the honorable court has said, my lord, that if he is prima facie, there is a case against him, my lord, the court should restrict itself while granting bail, my lord. Not at this stage, the court should look into the fact that whether he will be prosecuted or not, whether he will be guilty, proved guilty or not, my lord. That is what this case is about, my lord. Lordship may kindly say I am relying on paragraph 25, 26, and 27, my lord. 28. And
Yes, Mr. Singh, anything?
Yes, I'm just relying, my lord, the honorable Supreme Court judgment in Sushila Agarwal's matter, my lord. One, okay, wait. Sushila Agarwal matter, my lord, this, and one is Saf Alam and another one of the Jammu Kashmir, and three judgments, my lord, I'm relying.
Okay.
The big one, my lord. First, let me go to the bigger one. That is the Sushila Agarwal's matter, my lord. May I come to my lord directly? Page 84, my lord, page number 79.
Just a
Page number 79, married, my lord. In conclusion, it would be useful to remind us
number?
once of page number 79.
One seven.
79, my lord. 79, page 84. Married, my lord. In conclusion, it would be useful to remind oneself that the rights which the citizens cherish deeply are fundamental. It is not the restrictions that are fundamental. Joseph Story, the great jurist of the US Supreme Court judge, remarked that personal security and private property rest entirely upon the wisdom and stability of the integrity of the course of justice. The history of our republic, and indeed the freedom movement, has shown how the likelihood of arbitrary arrest and indefinite detention and lack of safeguards played an important role in relying the people to demand independence. Witness the Rowlatt Act, the nationwide protest against it, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and several other incidents where the general public were exercising their legal to protest, but were brutally suppressed and eventually jailed for long. The specter of arbitrary and the heavy-handed arrest too often to harass the humiliated citizens and oftentimes at the interest of the powerful individuals and not to further any meaningful investigation into the offences led to the enactment of Section 438, despite several law commission reports and the recommendations of several committees and commissions. Arbitrary and groundless arrests continue as an pervasive phenomenon. Parliament has not thought it appropriate to curtail the power of discretion of the courts in granting PRS or anticipatory bail, especially regarding duration or till charge sheet is filed, or in serious crimes. Therefore, it would not be the larger interest of the society if the court, by judicial interpretation, limits the exercise of that power. The danger of such an exercise would be that in fractions, little by little, the discretion advisedly kept wide would shrink to a very narrow and unrecognizably tiny portion, thus frustrating the objective behind the provision, which has stood to the test of time these 46 years. The reference is hereby inserted in the above terms. Arun Mishra, Indrajit Banerjee, and the Vinit Sharan judges. We have seen the drafts of Justice M.R. Shah, Justice R. Ravindra Bhatt, and we are in agreement with them. Since there is no difference of opinion between the two, we are in agreement with the reasoning of M.R. Shah and Justice R. Ravindra Bhatt that the conclusion Sri Gurbakh Singh Sibia and others versus State of Punjab 1980 show needs reiteration and further that restrictive manner in which Section 438 of the CRPC has been interpreted in Salahuddin Abdul Samad Saik versus State of Maharashtra show is incorrect. Therefore, we agree that Salahuddin Chopra and other cases which have followed, it needs to be overruled. Similarly, the wide interpretation of the Siddharam Stalagampa matter, State of Maharashtra versus show that is that no condition can be imposed while granting an order of anticipatory bail is incorrect. Matter Chopra to that extent, the other judgment which have followed it are accordingly overruled. In view of the said conclusions, we are in agreement with the answers to the reference made in the larger bench. Final conclusion, in view of the occurring judgments in the Mayor Shah and the Justice Ravindra Bhatt with Justice Arun Mishra, Indra Banerjee, Justice Ben Sharan agreeing with them, the following answers of the reference is set out. Regarding question number 1, this court holds that the protection granted to the person under
Okay,
section
we got
430.
it. We got it. So
Yes,
what do
madam.
you want to say from this?
Pardon, my lord, because my humble submission is that during the investigation and trial, my lord, the bail can be considered, my lord. My humble
That's
submission.
yeah.
Bail
why not?
can be considered and because petitioner being a patient, my lord, is a patient of the cancer, my lord. Now it is
That I have
detected.
my answer.
No, my lord,
That,
I'm
my
coming to that, my lord. I'm not completing, my lord. And moreover, my lord, his wife is also just simply a housewife and doing nothing, my lord. In case if at this stage, if they are arrested and they are in custody, because we are cooperating, my lord. We are cooperating. We will cooperate to the investigation, whatever, my lord, taken by the police, my lord. And if not interested, because certain conditions, my lord, can be imposed by the honorable court, any kind of conditions, so that we may not, escape anything, my lord, and we may be able to, answer whatever the police investigated, my lord, and we may be permitted to go on bail for time being, my lord, and because had it been, because as part of my lord, the held it, my lord, which has been shown by my lord friend, my lord, in the filed by the counter affidavit filed by the bank, because here there is a document, my lord, of the sale deed, my lord. Document sale deed, my lord, where page number 52, my lord. Agreement. Now, in the indenture sale witness as follows that in pursuance to the agreement as stated herein below, and in consideration of rupees 30 lakhs only being paid by the purchaser by way of check. But how, my lord? This particular check, because kindly call for any record, my lord, whether this particular 30 lakhs have been encased by me from my, to my account, or whether that particular person, this
That is not
particular
required. Yes, what do you
Abhishek
want to say
Kumar
from
Soni,
here?
his particular,
On this document, what do you want to say?
is that, my lord, because I have never encased this kind of money, my lord, from this, because this is completely, these are, because by the time, my lord, say, when there was a I mean, partnership, my lord, but all signatures have been taken forcibly, my lord, by the other partners, and they have
Mr.
manipulated,
That is why,
manipulated everything, my lord.
that is why Mr. Mahanta has said, why you have not.
And my lord, the difference, my lord, of the two lanes, my lord, because other lane is around one bigger lane, my lord, because where the mortgage has been made in the State Bank of India, and where there is a civil dispute also, and the protect, my lord, title suit has already been filed by the other party, and the title suit number, my lord. What is the title suit number? Title suit number is something, my lord, and these are all different lanes, my lord. This is not connected at all, my lord. 307 of my lord, title suit number 307 of 2023, my lord. It is pending, my lord. It is already filed before the civil judge in a division, my lord.
Now, which is the land that you have given mortgage?
Because in connection with the State Bank of India, my lord. Because that is also one kind of lane.
We are not on the register, State Bank of India.
Yes, my lord. And this particular lane, my lord, where Solamandalam.
Which particular land you have given?
Because this particular lane, my lord, is not at all connected, my lord. And the petition number 2, my lord, she being a housewife, my lord, at this stage, my lord, if she has been arrested, my lord, it will be a great difficult, my lord, on the part. What is that? And in my bail application, period number 4 also, my lord, we have given the dark number of the particular lane where we have mortgage to Solamandalam, my lord, period number 4. Because these two are.
To page 40.
Pardon, my lord.
40.
Yes, 40, my lord. 40.
What is the land?
40.
Down below property 1.
Yes.
What is the
40.
land?
Dark number. Let's see. Dark number. Dark number. New pattern number 131.
Everything is clear.
Yes.
The same land which I have already sold to Mr. Soni on 13th October 2017.
No, my lord, this lane, though we have mortgage, but we have never executed, my lord, this to anybody else, my lord. Though this particular lane, we have mortgage, my lord. That may be the reason, my lord, and we have never sold this particular lane to anybody else, my lord. Because their case is that, my lord, this particular lane, though they have been mortgaged, and they have been, then we have been already sold it out to someone else, my lord. That we have never done. And whatever, my lord, the deed, in the deed, they have shown that because that 30 lakhs we have accepted. If that 30 lakhs we have accepted, then it should be reflected either in my account or in the account of the Mr. Abhishek Kumar Soni.
We are not on that. We are not on.
And, my lord, while the matter before giving any loan, my lord, it is the duty of the bank concerned to go through thoroughly the documents, whatever we have submitted. Then only after proper verification, they have granted the loan, my lord. So, my lord, that is our bona fide.
My lord, regarding his ailment, the certificate which was annexed, the lordship kindly see one, my lord, page 21, my lord. 21.
Yes.
Or bail application, my lord.
Yes.
That is, my lord, is a diagnosis slip only. It is not a certificate. And that, my lord, yes, your lordship kindly age, my lord, it is a 17-year-old. It is not, my lord, that present petitioner is 58 years, my lord. That is 17.
No, maybe, because this age may be, my lord, because by mistake, my lord, it might have been recorded, my lord. Because
this is not a certificate, my lord. This is only
age 17 means actually, it may be committed by the, by mistake. It is never been this thing. And the petitioner being a patient, my lord, I'm ready to cooperate with the investigation, my lord. My lord, and the petition number 2 being a housewife, my lord, if at this stage, my lord, if she has been put into custody, it will be very, I mean, difficult position, my lord, at this stage, my lord. So, my lord, I'm ready to cooperate with the any kind of investigation, but only thing is that, my lord, because of the health condition, so I may be considered for interim bail at least, my lord. At the same time, my lord, I'm ready to cooperate, my lord.
This reports will normally have some serial numbers.
No, my lord, this is only report. Yes, I'm not finding any serial number.
Yes.
There's no serial number.
Because it has a, maybe a prescription may not have,
My lord,
but the report must have the serial number.
serial number always there, my lord.
It is
Official.
not there.
So that's why I'm pointing out, and that the year is also mentioned as the 17 years only.
Who
10
passed the order?
all my deputy officer.
Mr. and Jatinder Singh, Brother Counsel appearing for the petition. Senior Counsel for the petition. May I access that I am Counsel for the petition. So had Mr. MP Goswami and additional public prosecutor for the state and Mr. T.J. Mahantal and senior
For the complainant.
assisted by Mr. P. Pachetri for the complainant. So, okay, we'll pass the
Deputy.
order. So, Mr. Mahantal,
My lord.
your visit was successful.
Yes, successful, but it's a very wonderful, my lord, and I, from in front of my lord, it's a big event, my lord. And my own eyes, I have enjoyed it. And that too, my lord, India won. That's why it's very good for me. Good for all, my lord, all Indians, my lord. All stadium was jam-packed and it's all are Indian supporters.
All this stadium?
Stadium is fine, my lord. But difficulty is that after this match, I don't know, nobody knows when next match will be played there. Because only in this purpose, only this is that stadium is very infrastructure is very beautiful.
It's a permanent or
Permanent. Yeah, idea.
removable?
No, it's a permanent. That Sharjah, that Dubai, and now another is my lord Muscat is coming up. These are permanent.
May it please, Lord. My lord, item number 50, my lord, I could not prepare. Item number 50, my lord. Under already order pass, I am in another court, my lord. The matter was fixed after 2 weeks, my lord, and non-appear is there, my lord. POCSO matter.
Report
POCSO matter, my lord.
that police report hasn't come. Service.
No, that service report is not received, Lordship. So let it come after, Lordship.
We have fixed it after 2 weeks.
My lord.
We'll give a date.
My lord, kindly it may be fixed after 1 week, my lord. He is a government employee, my lord. Kindly, my lord, after 1 week, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
We'll look into, we'll see along with your calendar. We'll give a date. Lordship. Maybe
My lord, the date was not given, my lord.
we'll look into that. We'll pass some order.
Lordship. My lord, kindly after 1 week, my lord, oblige.
May not after a week, let us see the what we have the next.
CD
We have to come from which police station?
Belshot, yes, my lord. It is from Nolbari, my lord. CD is received, already CD received.
Only
as
the
per-
report is to be received, right?
Yes, yes. Only
We'll
report
look
was
into it.
awaited, my
We'll
lord.
look into
Report was awaited only.
it.
Oblige.